Hello everyone, back in the studio, and for a few more tips and techniques. Today I am going to be glazing these paintings that I was working on. So I'll be back down on the floor. I've got some glazing medium that I made myself, and let's see what happens. I'll maybe even be tempted to go back in on my bigger series. So let's get cracking. So I've got my glaze mixed up. I've gone with this orangey colour, which has got a bit terracotta. I make up my own glaze mixture, so it's probably this that's made it a bit more terracotta than the kind of burnt orange that it was. So anyway, I'm going to go over these. You see how they'll change, and well, watch. Got a big brush. These are still not finished, but all these layers help me to decide what to do next. Gives me ideas for the next move. And because I've got my process of how I work, I know what to keep coming back to move on. I need to do the edges on this one. I always like to, when I've got these wide edges, same with my canvases, this is wood. Have I done that one? No. Once you know what to do, then it's easy to just keep coming back to those methods and just keep going until you're happy with the finished piece of art. Of course, all these methods I talk about in my brand new course, Connecting Through Mixed Media Layers of Meaning, all about creating personal artwork, art that you feel connected to. It's all about personal stories and how we can create that in our artwork. Because I believe that if we feel connected to our artwork, then others will too. This is not the first glaze that I've put on these. It probably won't be the last. Like I said, just keep going. You can see, can you see the difference that's made already? Like I said, that will now feed me. It's like giving me a new platform to work from. What's speaking to me now? What am I going to do next? I feel like it's all about that conversation between us and the artwork. Oh, it's got that one. to do the edges. And since I've done the first round of my course, I really loved that community feeling, and I've decided to do some live painting sessions. So off social media, in a private video meet room, so we can chat and show each other what we're doing, and well, just have this community for free. So if you'd like to join me, then I'll put more information down below, and you can come along and we can all paint together. So I had a bit left, add a little bit more paint to get more of a glow on these blue paintings, big ones in the series. So I'm just going to add that, see what difference it makes. I like what happened with the smaller ones on the floor, so let's see. These are the ones so far that I started in just blue and yellow, so adding this orange to the mix is going to make a difference. As you can see already, it's giving this lovely glow. Nice, what do you think? I'm tempted to go in on the others. I think I'll lie this flat. A few drips going on there. Got paintings all around me. Like I said, I'm getting ready for this big weekend exhibition, last of the year, so trying to get things finished. Not sure if these big ones will be finished. But can you see how that lovely glow is happening? And like I said, for the small ones, this then will indicate to me what to do next. That's the way I look at it anyway. This conversation that goes on between canvas and, let's say, paintbrush or whatever media that you're using. So yes, so since having this community of running the course, I felt like it'd be really nice to kind of create a space for us artists who want to share what we're doing, paint along together. Maybe in a private video group, and yeah, meet up and paint along and chit chat, talk about what we're doing. Just going to change paintings. Yeah, so if you're an artist like me, I came back to art after a long break. I went to art school years ago, back in the late 90s. Then life happens, doesn't it? I got a job, different career, then moved countries, moved to France, had kids, and came back to art again years later. And it's taken me years to get back to how I felt when I first left art school, which was full of confidence and excited about what I was doing. And now I feel like I'm there. I feel like I'm back. I feel like I'm connected to my work. I feel like it's me, back to me. So if you're like I was, and you don't want to spend years trying to find your way back, then maybe my course is for you. I'll put something down below so you can get an idea of what it's all about. I'm not sure when I'll be running it again, but well, I'll let you know. So this is in the early stages still yet. This was the blue and yellow painting that I started. And there'll be many layers to go. But at least this will indicate to me, I think, with that conversation between the canvas and the brush, I like to think it'll tell me what to do next. Yeah, so this lovely orangey glow happening now. Got a little bit of paint left. I'm going to look around the studio, see what I can use this upon. Maybe go back in on the smalls. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Au revoir.